Alright, girl, we're making eggs. There's a little pan. Okay, there's a little pan. Okay, we're gonna make eggs. Eggs come from chickens. Eggs come from chickens. We have to get them out of the fridge. Look at these. Eggs coming from chickens. So, we gotta crack the eggs into a bowl. Here's our little bowl. Look at that. Here's your egg crack. One-handed? You see that? Little yolk. In the middle of an egg is a yolk. You see? 1, 2, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. We gotta mix the eggs. With that, we're gonna use a fork. Oh, we forgot to heat the pan. We need to take the pan, and put some heat on it, because when it gets hot, you cook the eggs. In the pan, we put some olive oil. That is from Italy. And then we mix. Hi. Hi. There's a nice smile. Mix. That's nicely mixed. Hello. Okay, eggs in the pan. Yum. Look how yellow they are. And then we use this, which is called a spatula. And we stir 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 and we stir. Stirring our eggs. Stirring our eggs. Stirring our eggs. I'm gonna put in something to make it spicy. Hot sauce. Woo! Spicy hot sauce in. Makes it tasty. Mmm. Look at this. Eggs are cooking, eggs are cooking, eggs are cooking. Eggs are cooking. Doesn't take long, maybe 1 minute. Look at this. We put a bowl and we put in our eggs that are done. Beautiful eggs into our bowl. And I put a little more sauce. You like? Sauce. And that's it. Look at that, honey. Scrambled eggs and hot sauce. Bye-bye.